T-shirtpreneurs, what is up? It's Sin, and I'm back with another video. And if y'all want to see what I'm doing today, y'all gonna have to stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
All right, T-shirtpreneurs, your girl recently got a big package in. If y'all didn't see what I got, y'all can check that video right up there out. And my bad, I'm reading text messages on my watch. And we're gonna go on back here and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna let y'all see. So bang, that's what I got right there. That's what came in. That's what we have. So what I'm gonna be doing, and the lighting is not the best. Let me get one of my lights out of here and turn it on, because the lighting in that room is not always the best for whatever reason. I don't know. I guess just because. So let me slide this in here and I'm gonna let y'all see. That makes it better. That makes it better. So that's where we at. That's where we at right there. All right, so I'm going back in here and I'm gonna set this camera up. Okay, yeah, the lighting is on point now. Set this up. I'm gonna just slide that out the way. Set this up right here. And this little stand, hopefully it won't fall. It has not been cooperating in the best way lately. Okay, so right here, what I'm gonna do is, let me see. What I'm first gonna do is just move stuff out the way. Go ahead and unbox these things. I do have more stuff coming in, so I will be doing more unboxing soon. All right, so we're first gonna open this. Now, y'all, I ordered this thing right here. It took forever and an extra day. Forever and an extra day for this thing to come in, y'all. Now, I ordered it like 2 weeks ago, so they didn't ship it out until the Friday of that first week. And I was actually supposed to get it on the Thursday of last week, but today is Monday, y'all. So as y'all see, like I said, it took forever and a day. I was expecting it to come last week, but I was hoping early in the week because it was coming from Florida and I'm in Louisiana and it's usually like a 2 or 3 day ship. But y'all see what happened. All right, so this is what I'm about to do. I'm gonna go ahead, open this up. Open this up. All right. And y'all gonna see what it is. Whoa. Whoa. Right here, y'all see it's a mighty hoop right here. Those of y'all that don't know, whoa, this is pretty strong. Can I even unhook it? Whoa. That's pretty strong, y'all. Your girl might have to get back in the weight room. She might have to get back in the weight room. All right, so right here, we got another mighty hoop. 2 mighty hoops right here. These are the parts. I'm hoping that, hold up. Yeah, I'm hoping that, I think it comes with 2 parts so that I don't have to, yeah, it does. It comes with 2 different ones so that I can put it on each of those and I don't have to be switching them back and forth. So that's good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, move this out of the way and move this out the way. And the next thing we're gonna do is open up this right here. And I just went ahead and ordered this with everything just so I had a little something to work with. So, all right, so right here, as you see right here, I purchased this from Ken's Sewing Center right here. And y'all, when I tell y'all Ken's Sewing Center be on it, they be on it. Y'all, when I contacted Ken's Sewing Center, I dealt with Miss Amanda. Miss Amanda is thebomb.com. She's very helpful. And when I ordered that stuff, that, like I was telling y'all, it took 3 weeks. It took forever and a day, 2 weeks and a day, forever and a day to get this embroidery machine in. But Miss Amanda took care of me with everything else. Like, her box was like here the next day, and then the day after that, the next box was there. So it's like you know, the shipping is so fast. I know I'm not far from Alabama. Miss Amanda took care of your girl. And I got these packages in quickly, but the other one shipped directly from the company that makes it or whatever. So, you know, but anyway, we're going to get back to what we doing. All right. So let me see. All right. So right here in this bag right here, Ken Sewing Center, y'all can check the number and the info. I'll try to leave a link for y'all down below in case y'all interested. And y'all make sure y'all talk to my homegirl, Miss Amanda, and tell her send TshirtChick is the one who sent you. Okay, so right here I have some different threads right here. I'm just going to sit them right here, kind of let y'all see what I have. Have a bunch of different threads. I have some bobbins right here. Okay, these bobbins are empty. It would have been better if they was filled, but I guess I'll be able to fill them myself. And then we got this right here. I do have let me see, this right here. So I don't know if these bobbins right here, with them not being filled already, I don't know about that, but I'm going to talk with Miss Amanda about that and let her know that I wasn't 100% happy with that, but you know. All right, so these are, let me see, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11 different color threads. All right. So right here is some medium cutaway backing right here. And that's medium tearaway backing right here. So we got some backing and let me see. All right, now, I don't know. Like with everything, as far as the shipping and stuff like that, and I am new to embroidery, but I kind of don't seem like I got that much with this package right here. It don't seem like I got as much, but I guess I do have a lot of different colors of thread, you know, so that's okay. I do have some needles right here. It says it's a 10-pack of needles. Actually, it's 2 10-packs of needles, so I got 20 needles right here. Y'all can check those out. Right here, 2 10-packs of needles. So right now, I don't really know exactly what to do with these needles yet, but I'm going to figure it out. And I got the 11 threads right there, okay? So I'm going to, and this is let me see what this is. Their color swatches for their thread, but your girl probably going to be using that Madeira thread that everybody be talking about. So I'm going to put all these threads back in here and move this stuff out the way, because I know y'all waiting on the main event. All right, so we're gonna slide that out of the way. All right, so you know, we got this one other package right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. We're gonna check out what's in here. All right. So right here, we got a hoop on top right here. Let me see. When I said that, I want to say hop on pop. A hoop on top right here. We got that hoop. And we have this thingy right here. We got these little thingies right there. These little piggies. All right, let me pull this out and let's see what this is. All right, this is another hoop right here. A bigger hoop. Bigger than the mighty hoop that I have over there. I don't know. I might have to get a bigger mighty hoop. Okay, so, and I'm hoping that these people ain't playing like this where I gotta be removing this right here. I hope they not playing and making your girl have to remove stuff like that. Let me move this on out the way and see what else we got up in this thing. All right, so all right. Whoa, y'all, this is crazy. This is crazy. Look at this right here. This is the hat hooping station right here. Okay, this one is already attached to the hooping thingamajig. I don't really know the name of everything right now, but I will. And this is the other one, so it comes with all that, and it comes with the 2 extra thingies. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this back in here, and I'm gonna just move this out the way since we know what's in here now. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead. Should have got some scissors, because that thing, it ain't want to open just like that. Okay, it says handle with care. All right, we're gonna go ahead. Can we lift this box up? I don't even know if we need to undo the top of the, oh yeah, it is a thing on top of the box. The instructions are right here on top of the box, how to open it. All right, so we got this right here. And go ahead and open this part over here. All right. So right now it's just me here, and I don't have any help right now. So all right, so right here it comes with a big hoop and backing right here. Look like some backing or some felt or something. I don't know. Y'all know I'm just getting started. This just came in today, y'all. Okay, this is the setup guide right here. All right, we got another what you call it, hoop right here. We got some thread, red and blue, or orange and blue thread. We got some, hey, I use this to keep my camera gear dry and stuff like that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and move this out the way. And what we do next, I think, look, I'm not even reading the directions, but I did watch some videos, y'all, and it was saying you open these up right here. Let me see. How do you do it? Oh, all right. So I'm gonna undo these on both sides so I can lift it up. Now you should be able to lift this bad boy up, I believe. Let me see. Maybe, maybe not. You may have to take these handles completely out to lift them up. Let me see. All right, we about to see. All right. It'd be easier if I had a person on each side to help me. So I'm gonna just move this box out the way. All right, y'all. The main event right here. And this tape is easy to tear. I'm just gonna like peel it off or rip it up right there. All right. And this is the boss right here. The new boss. All right. Let me move some of this stuff out the way. All right, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show y'all much more of it. Let me see how this thing goes. Okay, I can remove this, I believe. Oh, this is part of it right here. So I'm just gonna place that over on this side. And we have right here, this is like the power block and the adapter cable, all of this stuff right here. Go ahead and move this out of the way. All right, so we got some more of these dry thingies right there. And this is the machine, y'all. Let me see. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to lift it up. Let me see. I think I probably need a person to help me lift it up. Let me see. Okay, yeah. Oh, I don't know. Your girl might can get it herself. She might can get it herself. Now it's just starting to rain outside, y'all. All right, so we're gonna peel this plastic down. We got this right here. We're gonna toss that over there with the rest of them. And toss this with the rest of them. All right, so I believe I could pick this thing up myself, but I'm not gonna try it, y'all. But I'm gonna just kind of let y'all check it out right here. This is what it's looking like. This screen, you're gonna have to twist it around to the front. This will have to be lifted up right here. So just kind of let y'all check it out a little bit. And I'm gonna see if I can get some help over here so I can just set it down on one of the tabletops. I do have a stand for it. It's coming. This one did not come with the stand, so I actually ordered it separately. But yeah, because everything else is everything else I have, it all came in already. So I gotta wait for the stand and another item that's coming in. So I just want to let y'all check it out right here. And this has to be, do you remove this off of there? I'm not sure. I'm gonna just leave it on there. But yeah, I'm ready. Y'all, I've been waiting on this thing so long, y'all. Y'all know how I be telling y'all, I don't really read. I don't really like to read. Well, I have read pretty much the whole manual on this thing. Seriously, pretty much the whole manual on this thing. Okay, where are the little tube thingies? You got the little tube thingies that the threads go in. I don't see them. Oh, okay, they're down off in here. The little tube thingies are right there. Yeah, so look like everything is here. I'm gonna see if I can get some help to get this thing up, and I'm just sit it here on the countertop, and when the stand comes in, I can move it and kind of let you check it out. I don't know, I was thinking about putting it over in that corner right there. That's probably where I'm gonna put it. I'm kind of thinking about that, somewhere over in this area. So y'all will get to see whenever I do, put everything where it goes. And this whole room right here is probably going to be rearranged. But that's all I can show y'all right now. If I get some help to come here today, I'll show y'all in this video. Or what I may do is add it into the video tomorrow, because it's almost 4 o'clock. Yeah, it is 4 o'clock. I don't know if I'm be able to get somebody to come help me, but we're going to see. All right, y'all. So I did not need help. I was able to get it myself. I wish I would have filmed it for y'all, but y'all know how your girl do. Hook, arm, seeing. So I'm gonna put it right here for right now on this table. All right, y'all. So I did get this up by myself. No help needed. I'm gonna go ahead, take everything else out. All right, so it does come with sewing machine oil, some ready to go bobbins and tools. All right, y'all. So this is gonna be all for this video. I'm gonna do another video threading the machine. Y'all can see that one later. And I appreciate y'all. Y'all know what to do if y'all want to show support. Y'all be blessed.